Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to start a new topic number 2.4. This is one of the best poem and name of the poem is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? What do you think is the theme of the poem? Can you guess anything? Have you earned your tomorrow? उद्यासाठी तुम्ही काय कमवलं आहे, काय कमवू शकतात? दिस इज द मराठी मिनिंग, सिंपल मराठी मिनिंग ऑफ दिस टायटल. हॅव यू अर्न युअर टुमारो? द टायटल इज नथिंग बट वन ऑफ द व्हर्बल क्वेश्चन टू द रीडर्स to rethink the treatment that they are giving to others. It gives hint that we must help people around us. It confirms our bright future. That means the title tells us, as you sow, so you shall reap. As per the law of Newton, what we give to others, it comes back forcefully to us. If we do good in present or in past, it will surely make our tomorrow bright or future bright. Today's good investment is tomorrow's gain. We should work honestly for better future. It doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. Your good actions in the present will always be responsible to lead a good life ahead. The poet is making aware us our duties and responsibilities to gain our fruitful future. Investing something good today means earning anything tomorrow. That means your good deeds always wins. And in this inspirational poem, poet tried to tell us one of the important part, that you should live ideal life so that all the people they look towards you and they also said you ideal. So what is the ideal life and in what way you live for other is the theme of this poem. Okay, we start with icebreaker section and let us start with icebreakers. Complete the following wave. This is the wave diagram. Now which is the central part of the wave diagram? Different ways to help others. Which are the different ways? How can you help others? There are several ways in our society. When we live, we can help the people. In what way we can help people? Different kinds of ways are there. For example, to give financial help to the poor people. This is one of the way. To give financial help to the poor people. You can donate blood. To give company to lonely persons, lonely people. To give career guidance to the needy people. To give help to study to younger sibling. To help the blind person to cross the road. To give seat to the handicapped people, handicapped person in the public transport. To join the social welfare organization, to take part in a charity run institution, to comfort someone in grief, to give food to a homeless person, to do any kind of household work and to help our mother also or our parents also. All these are different kinds of things which can play as an important role to help others. Now, turn to next part. Discuss with your partner about the different idioms and proverbs related to word tomorrow. One is done for you. Now, idioms or proverbs. Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Next, now we have to find out such kind of proverbs or idioms. Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. This is one kind of proverb. Nobody is too young to die tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Tomorrow never dies. Tomorrow is often the busiest day of the week. Who has ever seen tomorrow? Say what you have to say tomorrow. The rich man plans for tomorrow, the poor man for today. The lazier a man, the more he plans to do tomorrow. Fools look to tomorrow, wise man use thought. Never put off to tomorrow what you can do today. Give me wool, and tomorrow you will have a sheep. All these are different kinds of proverbs generally we use regarding tomorrow. Okay, now next, when you make your future plans, you think of generally when you make your future plans, what do you think about? Which components are there? Which factors are there generally? We think about that factor. In future plan, we think about career. One of the important part is career. Expectation of the family members is also important. Your what does your family member expect from you? Social status. Generally, we think about social status. Financial condition or financial planning may be there. Learning is important. Learning is important factor. What you learn, that kind of career you will get. Success in the plan. What kind of success do you want to earn or do you want to achieve? Success plan can also be one of the important part of our future. Choice of study, choice of career. These are different kinds of component or factors which we generally think about our future plan. Okay, now plan your tomorrow by completing the table given below. This is the table. One is done for you. Plan your tomorrow. Examination, college function, function at your home. Now, what kind of plan you do for tomorrow by completing the table? Examination, college function, function at your home. Now, examination, for examination, preparing the list of duties, college function. जर एखादी एक्झामिनेशन घ्यायची असेल सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा काय करावं लागेल? टू मेक अ टाइम टेबल फर्स्ट. एक्झामिनेशन, मेकिंग अ टाइम टेबल. लेटर ऑन, प्रिपेरिंग फॉर द लिस्ट ऑफ ड्युटीज, function at your home, cleaning the house. Now in examination regarding concentrating on important topics, revision of that topics. In college function, preparing the list of duties, choice of programs, participation in various activities. Function at your home, cleaning the house, give invitation to guests, help to family members. Okay, now plan your tomorrow by completing the table given below. These are the activities: college function, function at your home, examination. एक्झामिनेशनच्या वेळेला आपण काय करतो तर टाइम टेबल बनवतो. लर्न एव्हरीथिंग ऑफ समथिंग अँड समथिंग ऑफ एव्हरीथिंग. कॉन्सन्ट्रेटिंग ऑन इम्पॉर्टंट टॉपिक्स करतो. कॉलेजमध्ये फंक्शन असेल तर आपण काय करतो तर प्रिपेरिंग द लिस्ट ऑफ ड्युटीज, काय काय कामं करायची ते आपण बघतो. चॉईस ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स, कोणते कोणते प्रोग्राम्स घ्यायचे त्याची निवड करतो. पार्टिसिपेशन इन व्हेरियस ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, कोणत्या कोणत्या गोष्टीत आपल्याला भाग घ्यायचा आहे त्याचं आपण नियोजन करतो. क्लिनिंग द हाऊस, फंक्शन ॲट युअर होम, जर घरात एखादं काम असेल, कार्य असेल तर त्याकरता आपण घर स्वच्छ करतो. गिव्ह इन्व्हिटेशन टू गेस्ट, आपल्या आमंत्रित लोकांना जे सांगायचं आहे त्यांना आपण आमंत्रण देतो. हेल्प टू फॅमिली मेंबर, आपल्या कुटुंबियांना मदत करतो आणि ते फंक्शन जे आहे ते व्यवस्थित कशा पद्धतीने पार पडेल याची काळजी आपण घेतो. तर these are the icebreakers, these are the activities generally we do at the time of our, these are the icebreaker activities. Now we turn to second part and let us stop here and turn to second AV. Okay.